right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you free of charge. Do you understand these rights? Keeping these rights in mind, would you like to answer at this moment any questions that I may have?
Holding. Police must inform suspects of their rights before questioning. Ernesto Miranda was a poor Mexican immigrant living in Phoenix, Arizona. He was arrested in 1963 after a crime victim identified him in a police lineup. Miranda was charged with rape and kidnapping. He was questioned for 2 hours while in police custody. The police did not inform him of his Fifth Amendment and Sixth Amendment rights. The Fifth Amendment protects self-incrimination, gives the right to due process, and stops double jeopardy. The Sixth Amendment is the right to be given an attorney if the suspect cannot afford one. Also, a person must know what they are being accused for. During interrogation, he confessed in writing to the crimes he was charged for, and that he knew his rights against self-incrimination. Miranda's defense attorney appealed to the Arizona Supreme Court that Miranda had not been informed of his rights and that an attorney was not present during interrogation. The police officers involved admitted that they had not, but argued that Miranda was arrested before and knows his rights. The prosecution also agrees, saying that Miranda has already been through the process the time before. The Arizona Supreme Court denied his appeal, but in 1965 the United States Supreme Court agreed to hear Miranda's case. At the time, the United States Supreme Court also agreed to hear 4 other similar cases, but because Miranda was listed first above all the cases, that became the case's name. The Supreme Court used the evidence of the previous trial, evidence from the other similar trials, the written statement from Miranda, and the confession of the police officers. The decision of Miranda v. Arizona was a 5 out of 4 opinion. The court ruled that in order for police to arrest and question a suspect, they must first acknowledge them of their Fifth Amendment rights, then take them into custody. I agree with the case's decision because citizens should always be aware of their rights so they cannot claim negligence in the court. The Miranda v. Arizona case impacts the United States because police enforcement in every state are required to read people their Miranda rights so they are aware of their Fifth and Sixth Amendments. This is a landmark case because the ruling was put in place in all 50 states and it was against constitutional amendment.